Hello again everyone. Welcome to DIY The Art of Wood. I'm Jeremy. So I spent a lot of time thinking about how I wanted to put this video together for you. And since this project was such a highly customized build designed to fit my space perfectly, it didn't really make sense to me to put together a step-by-step how-to video for you. Instead, my hope is that this video will inspire you to let your imagination run wild to see what you can do with your blank space. This project also gave me the opportunity to mentor my young cousin Kenny and teach him a few basic carpentry skills. You'll see Kenny a little later in the video helping me install the last couple pieces of trim. This video will also give me the opportunity to showcase one of my favorite ways to build, using two very different materials, wood and steel, side by side in the same project. Now, I will leave some additional information in the description below the video about some of the methods and materials I used to build this project. And if you have any specific questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Now this video is very special to me personally. I completed this project while my family was away, not knowing if they'd ever return. There were many long, lonely days and very late nights working on this project all by myself. Some nights it felt like I didn't even sleep in my own bed.
I've been running to the right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping in a safe. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show my family all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I will wrong. I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, in my sweet heart. I belong with you, you belong with me, in my sweet. I don't think you're offering. Look at what am I to be of you. Look about so Chinatown and be standing on canal and about green. She'd be standing next to me. I belong with you, you belong with me, in my sweet heart. I belong with you, you belong with me, in my sweet.